So Santosh, what's happening about aerospace industry?
So during my recent interaction with aerospace segment customers, I came to know about a new challenge they are facing. Post-COVID, they have a huge backlog of orders which they are not able to fulfill.
Oh, and what are our plans for aerospace industry?
I have something interesting to show you. Come. During my recent interaction with Daniel Scher, who is our aerospace segment expert, he shared this interesting case about this new formulation, Vasco SkyTec H600, which we tested in Makino facility on their T2 machine. This is an example of a heavy machining where you can see the tool in action. When we measured the tool wear with the existing coolant, after 54 minutes, we could see a tool wear of 0.76 millimeter. And with Vasco SkyTec H600, we could really gain tool wear up to 46.3%. And not only that, we could push the tool performance after 75 minutes with a minimum tool wear, which helps customer to win.
Oh, this actually sounds very interesting. And dear customers, if you are in aerospace industry segment, me and my colleagues are actually very happy to talk to you, discuss about your challenges and think about some very interesting ways of helping you win. So looking forward to meet you in IMTEX.